Hello students. Hello students. I Pallav Tiwari welcome you all in my YouTube channel Pallav Tiwari Classes. This is my third video on the macroeconomics class 12th chapter 2 national income accounting. In this video I will discuss a very important topic and the topic is stock and flow. 3 marks question will be framed from this particular topic stock and flow. In this video we will discuss variables. The question is what is variable? The item that can be changed over a period of time, that is called variable. The variable can be a flow variable or can be a stock variable. Let us see what is stock and what is flow variable one by one. Firstly, let us see what is stock variable. Stock variable are defined as any quantity which is measured at a particular point of time. What is stock variable? Variable which can be measured at a particular point of time is called stock. Here I am emphasizing on one word, that is at a particular point of time. When I say at a particular point of time, what it means? It means at the specific time period. Try to understand it with the example. When I say number of machines in a plant, it means that I am talking about the number of machineries in a plant right now. So what I will do? I will count the number of machineries and will be intimated. So when I say stock, it means at a particular point of time, what is the total number? Try to understand it with one more example. If I say money in a bank account on a specific date, for example, what is the account balance on 31st March 2021? That is a stock variable. Why? Because at a particular point of time, I am telling you the total amount which is available. Try to understand it with one more example. For example, the population of India as on 31st March 2021, it means on this stipulated time, what is the population of the country? Here we can say that the time element is not playing any role. On a specific date, I am asking you to tell me the total. So what is stock? Stock is that variable which is measured at a particular point of time. At a what? Particular point of time. Okay? Population of India as on 31st March 2021. Bank balance on 31st March 2021. So stock is what? Stock is that quantity which is measured at a particular point of time. Now let us see what is flow. Flow variable are defined as any quantity which is measured during a period of time. What I said? During a period of time. Here the time element playing a very important role. Try to understand it with the example. When I say money in your bank account during a month of March, it means in the month of March, date wise, I will tell you the money which is in your account. In short, we can say that I am asking you to tell me the banking statement of the month March. I hope the point is clear. In the case of the flow, time element plays a very important role and the quantity can be measured over a period of time. Clear? For example, money during a month of March. It means in the entire month, I have to tell you date wise the amount fluctuations in the account. One more example, population of India during the month of January. It means that on 1st January, what is the population count? On 2nd January, what is the population? 3rd January, what is the population? So when I say flow, it means quantity which is measured. It is what? Over a period of time, not at a point of time, not on a specific date, but during the entire month. I hope the point is clear. Now try to understand it with the example. Now let us see the difference between stock and flow. The first is meaning. Stock variables refers to those variable which is measured at a point of time. What is stock? Variable measured at a particular point of time. It means measurable on a specific date. Clear? When I say flow, it means during a period of time, not on a specific day, but tell me during a period of time. Second point of difference is time dimension. In the case of the stock, time will not play any role. Time element is totally missing. But in the case of the flow, time is playing a very important role because I am asking you during a period of time. It means on that particular time, what is the position? On that time, what is the position? On that time, what is the position? Clear? The next is nature of concept. Always remember stock is static concept. When I say static concept, what it means on a particular date. For example, the population of India on 31st March 2021. On that date, the population will remain same, yes or no? So it is a static concept. When I say flow, flow is a dynamic concept. Why it is a dynamic concept? Because when I say population during the month of January, it means on 1st Jan, some population might be there. On 2nd Jan, the different population might be there. On 3rd Jan, the different population might be there. So we can say that the flow is keep on changing. So it is a dynamic concept. It changes with the period of time. Clear? Now try to identify the items so that the things becomes much more clear. Always remember, from this particular topic, three types of the question can be framed. Firstly, the examiner may ask you to define a stock flow with a suitable example. Second, they may ask you to differentiate the stock and flow. The weightage might be 3 marks. And the third is, in hot question, they will ask you to identify the following variable as a stock variable or a flow variable. And if the question is of 3 marks, you have to tell the reason as well. Now try to understand it. For example, the population of India as on 31st March 2021. Is it a flow concept or a variable concept? Why? Always remember, population of India as on 31st March 2021. It's a stock concept. The question is why? Because it is static in nature. On this very date, the population will remain constant. So I'm asking you to define, to tell at a particular point of time, not during a period of time. During this period, the population will be constant. Clear? Always be constant. Second is number of birth during the month of January. Here the time element will play a role because I'm asking you to tell me the number during the month. It means on 1st January, what is the population? 2nd January, what is the birth rate? 3rd January, what is the birth rate? So it is dynamic. Since it is dynamic in nature, so it is a flow concept. Third is total number of Maruti car in Valsad. It means that I will go and count, and I will not go again and again to count the number of the Maruti. So I will go and count once only and intimate the information that this is the total number of the Maruti car in Valsad. So the information is static in nature, so it is a stock. Time element will not play any role. Next is number of Maruti car washed in X showroom during the month of March. It means I'm asking you to tell me the number of the car coming for a wash in the showroom during the month. It means that on 1st March, how many cars are coming? 2nd March, how many cars are coming? So it is a flow concept. The next is money supply, or in a very simple word, we can say circulation of money in the economy. Always remember, circulation of money in the economy, it is a stock concept because it remains constant. Next is national wealth. National wealth is measured at a particular point of time only. So it is again a static concept. It remains same, so it is a stock. I hope the point is clear. That's all I have in this video. Dear viewers, if you like the video, please spread the video as much as you can. And one thing more, during this pandemic time period, it's a request to stay home, stay safe, and above all, don't forget to wear mask. Om Shanti.